Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to make egg and cheese with sliced chicken sandwich for breakfast. Let's start. For that we need English muffins. I have here whole wheat and sliced chicken, smoked chicken breast roast. It's from Halal, and cheese slices from Kraft singles. I'm using the mozzarella ones. They look just like this, and they don't have any rennet or any gelatin in it. Eggs, cooking oil, chaat masala. I will use green chili in some sandwiches, not all of them. But so first thing is I have preheated my sandwich maker, and it makes 2 sandwiches at one time, so I have to prepare 2. First thing what I will do is add some cooking oil in there, very little bit, some drops, not too much. Add egg. I'm adding egg first because it takes more time to cook. Then add some chaat masala on top. Thai chili, it's very spicy, so use as you need. I will close the lid, set the timer at 5 minutes, and in the meantime I will make ready the muffins. Now I'm going to add the chicken slices on this. 2 slices will be more than enough for one sandwich, just like this. Same thing here. And our eggs are ready. Now I am going to add the sandwich part, bread part, on the bottom and then on the top. Same thing with the other one. We cover the egg with the bread and close the lid of the sandwich maker. Now we have 1.5 minutes left. It will be done in 1.5. The sandwich maker is beeping, that means time is done. It's time to take it out. Slide it into your plate with the wooden spoon, and it's ready to serve. It's very hot, be very careful to